Hi, Sarah Kennedy here from Unison Hardware, the makers of INOX, an exclusive collection of stainless steel door hardware for both residential and commercial applications. I'm here with an exciting new announcement. We are launching our PD2000, also known as the TwistLock, for sliding and pocket doors. It features a 2-in-1 edge pull and lock design for maximum durability. The trim rotates the pull, making this a fully functional commercial-grade privacy lock too. That's why we call it the TwistLock. Easy to install, the PD2000 fits a standard 2 1/8 inch bore. No need for special door prep. And our engineers have designed the spring-loaded edge pull to integrate effortlessly with the lock bolt to ensure smooth, quiet operation from pop to lock. Here's how it works. Simply depress the bolt to engage it as an ergonomically designed, comfortable to grip edge pull. The bolt fits easily into the strike on the jamb, and then the trim rotates the hammerhead-shaped bolt 90 degrees and forms a sturdy lock for privacy. The lock is disengaged with the thumb turn from the inside, or an emergency coin release from the outside. Keeping with INOX's commitment to quality and durability, both the lock and edge pull have been tested for 250,000 cycles. A passage function is also available. Note that the unique INOX edge pull features a curved, smooth grip and no rough edges for easy and comfortable operation. The unique INOX PD2000 TwistLock is currently available in beautiful stainless steel and deep, rich graphite black, with more finishes on the way, and is available to order or spec now. Please visit www.inoxproducts.com for more details.